You never want to bill a customer for money they have already provided. In SAP, we use account maintenance to prevent this by offsetting a credit balance against an open debit balance. Look at this contract account. The customer owes a €500 receivable for a recent invoice, but they also hold a separate €300 credit from a released security deposit in the same division. Our objective is to consolidate these disparate entries. By running account maintenance, we net them against each other to produce a single, accurate open item representing the true current balance of €200. If you skip this consolidation step, the system will generate an inaccurate final bill asking for the full €500. That forces your customer service team to field angry calls, issue corrections, and execute massive manual rework on the account. To handle complex exceptions manually, administrators use transaction FP06. The system won't clear items automatically. You must explicitly select the €300 credit and €500 debit to activate them. Notice the processing status at the bottom indicates a red difference amount. That red status highlights a partial clearing scenario. The activated credit and debit don't match perfectly, which leaves a €200 discrepancy that must be resolved to balance the account. To solve this, the system mechanically splits the €500 line item. It allocates €300 to perfectly offset the credit, turning the processing status green, and then generates a remaining €200 open subitem. Transaction FP06 gives administrators ultimate precision over individual exceptions, but applying this high-touch method across millions of daily billing transactions is mathematically impossible. To handle high volume, SAP scales this exact logic using transaction FPMA as a mass batch job. Scheduled at the end of the business day, it uses parallel processing to distribute the workload across multiple server nodes simultaneously. This method shifts the operational burden from your human administrators to automated server scheduling, allowing you to maintain thousands of ledgers efficiently. For tighter automation, integrate maintenance directly into the invoicing run using the function ACCT_maint. As the billing document generates, the system actively searches for prior open items, clearing existing credits against new debit documents just before printing. Let's test this logic with a flip scenario. If an account holds a €400 credit and the system generates a new invoice for €250, what is the resulting open item? The result is a €150 open credit subitem. The invoice is fully paid by the existing credit, and the remainder stays on the account. The invoicing system perfectly handles these leftover balances without any human intervention. If there is no human administrator manually clicking Activate, how do the mass and automatic methods know exactly which items to select and clear? The answer is clearing control. This underlying rule engine dictates the logic for system-driven account maintenance. By configuring clearing variants and grouping strings, you give the engine strict instructions. Group items by contract and always clear oldest due dates first. To recap, you have 3 primary ways to manage this process. Use FP06 for precise manual exception handling. Schedule FPMA to process high-volume batch clearings, and use the ACCT_maint invoicing function to clear items at the exact moment a bill is generated.